Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Advanced English Language Academy. Today we will be discussing conditions and conditional sentences. So today class is not about the meanings of conditional sentences and conditions. It's just about their structure. Inshallah, in our next video we will talk about their meanings as well. How is one conditional sentence different than the other conditional sentence? This video is especially for MDCAT aspirants, those students who want to appear in the MDCAT test. They should be listening to me today. They should be all ears, because when I checked a few previous papers, I realized that some of the MCQs had been taken from conditional sentences and conditions, etc. So we will be talking about conditional sentences, their usage, where we use conditional sentences, and then we will be talking about their structure only. Inshallah, as I said, that in the next video we will talk about their meanings and their when to use which condition, in which situation we use a condition. So today we are only talking about their structure. Again, I am saying the MDCAT students should watch the video till the end. So let's talk about the usage of conditional sentences. We use conditional sentences when one action is reliant, or we can say dependent, on another action or occurrence. For example, we say, if it rains, we will go out. So you see that we will go out is dependent on it. If it rains, it means if it doesn't rain, we won't go out. So this action, the next action, is reliant, or we can say dependent on, this clause is reliant or it is dependent on this clause. That means that condition means, a certain situation for something. So when this situation is not there, this action will not happen. There are two clauses. This action will only happen if this occurs. So we use conditional sentences when one action is dependent on the other. This is the definition of conditional sentences. This is where we use them. Again, I am saying, if it rains, we will go out. It means that we will only go out if this condition is fulfilled. If it doesn't rain, we won't go out then automatically. So it means that this activity will not take place if this doesn't occur, right? We have these conditions, types of condition. First of all, we have the zero condition. So let's talk about the structure of zero condition. Zero condition is present simple plus present simple. When one clause is in present simple and the other is in present simple, the other is also in present simple, then we get zero condition. For example, we say, if you study, you pass. So you see that if you study is present simple and you pass is also present simple. Now we will talk about first condition. First condition means first condition structure is present simple plus future simple. The first clause will be present simple and the second clause will be future simple. If you study, you will pass. So it means that's what we talked about, present simple plus future simple. So this clause is present simple and this clause is future simple. Second condition, past simple plus would plus first form of verb. Remember, when I use V1, it means first form of verb. If you studied, you would pass. So here you see that if you studied is past simple and you would pass, as I mentioned in the structure. Third condition is past perfect plus would have plus third form of verb. Past perfect plus would have plus third form of verb. Remember, when I use V1, it would mean first form of verb. V2 would mean second form of verb. V3 would mean third form of verb, etc. So if you had studied, this is past perfect, the first class, and the second class is you would have passed. So that means that third condition has also been done. Next condition is past perfect plus would plus first form of verb. So if you had studied that past perfect tense, you would pass is, as I mentioned, would plus V1. Thanks a lot. In the next video, we will be talking about their meaning. Thank you.